Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create a resume using canva.com. So let's get started. So first of all, open the Chrome browser, select your profile. Now here open canva.com. You can search it up on Google. After opening the website, just logging in with the Gmail account. It's totally free. Then go to this option you can see on the top here, create a design. Click on here. Now here you have to type resume. Search up resume and search the A4 size portrait resume. Now the best thing about Canva is it offers you hundred different types of resume templates, so you can search it up from here in the list. You can select according to your need, whether you need a cool and minimalistic resume or you need a super wider like this. This looks sleek and okay, so I will go with this. You can change the name according to your need. Just select the text and change the name. You can change the text by clicking on them, and you can change the photo. You can upload by clicking on here. Go to uploads and upload from a local drive. After uploading the picture, set in this circle, doing all the changes and modifying all the skills, contacts, language, reference, education, work experience, as well as your profile, doing modifying everything. We just go to share option to download it, click on download, then select the PDF standard format and click on download, and your resume will be downloaded. So guys, this is super easy and you can create your resume in few minutes. So don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I keep posting the best videos out there on Canva. So see you there. Till then, turn on the notification for any new updates and new videos on your profile. Take care guys.